Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process on how to hide Topics notification content from showing up on your lock screen in the X app. If you've ever felt concerned about privacy, or you just don't want every notification detail appearing when your phone is locked, then this quick guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all the control over your apps and system functions begin. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a full list of the applications installed on your device. Now, from that list, find and select the X app. Once you tap on it, a new menu opens, giving you various options to manage how this app behaves on your phone. Next, choose Notifications. This section is where you can decide exactly how and when you'd like to be notified. Inside Notifications, you'll see an option labeled Notification Categories. Go ahead and tap on it. Notification categories help break down different types of alerts the app can send. Among those categories, you'll find Topics. Select that option to move forward. Once you've tapped on Topics, the settings become even more specific. Here you'll see something called Lock Screen. This is where you'll have the power to control how these notifications appear when your screen is locked. Tap on Lock Screen, and you'll see different choices. Select Hide Content. By choosing Hide Content, the notifications for Topics will still arrive, but the details of those messages won't be displayed on your lock screen. Instead, they'll remain private until you unlock your device. This way, you still get prompted when something new comes in, but no one else can glance at your phone and see what it's about. That's all it takes to secure your notifications from showing too much information on your lock screen. It's quick, easy, and adds an extra layer of privacy to your daily phone use. Thanks for following along.